it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for a really high quality staple pillow, then you need to get this one. This throw pillow from Furnished Hermosa is the 18 by 18 Euro pillow size. It is made with organic, non-treated cotton fill on the inside, and let me tell you, it is just so soft and squishy. I was so impressed with the materials this pillow was made with. I really appreciate the detail that has gone into handcrafting all of these pillows. They're all made by local artisans in Hermosa Beach, California, which I think is so cool. So there is such amazing attention to detail in these. And it has this beautiful neutral pillowcase over it. And it really is just such a stunning addition to anything in your home. You can see the detail in this pillowcase. It is so beautiful with this natural look. I think it's perfect to go along with any decor that you already have. And this makes just the perfect snuggle pillow on the couch. And I am just so happy to have it as part of my decor collection. So if you're looking for a really luxurious, high quality, soft, squishy, wonderful pillow, this is the one for you. And that is my point of view.